Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for user personas. User personas are essential tools that help us understand our target audience deeply. Figma offers a fantastic, collaborative platform to create and manage these personas effectively. We'll explore how to leverage its design capabilities to build comprehensive and insightful representations of your users, ensuring your team stays aligned on user needs and goals throughout the design process. Before diving into design, it's vital to gather solid insights for your personas. Start by conducting thorough user research, which can include interviews, surveys, and observational studies. Focus on identifying key demographics, behaviors, and motivations that define your target users. Synthesizing both qualitative and quantitative data will provide a rich, accurate foundation for building truly representative and useful user personas. Now, let's dive into designing your persona templates within Figma. Begin by creating a new file and setting up a clear canvas. Utilize frames to define distinct sections for demographics, goals, and pain points. Employ text layers for all your information and use shapes for visual elements. Organizing your layout with a strong visual hierarchy will make your personas easy to read and understand for everyone on your team. Once your template is ready, it's time to populate it with your research data. Fill in all the details, adding images, compelling quotes, and realistic scenarios to bring each persona to life. Figma's collaborative features make sharing effortless. Simply share your file with team members to gather valuable feedback. This iterative process ensures your personas are robust, accurate, and truly represent your user base.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.